Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open the image as I opened the image before. Then unlock the layer by pressing unlock icon once. Then go to adjustment layer and click on hue saturation layer. Then move the hue slider anywhere you want to be the eye color. I like this color, so I'm choosing this one. The hue saturation has a mask, so we have to make it a negative mask by pressing CTRL I. Now take a soft brush and make sure that your foreground color is set to white and background color is black, and set your mode to normal and opacity to 100% and fill to 100%. Now using the brush tool, brush around the eye. For better result, take your time. Don't brush on the pupil of the eye, just brush on the iris of the eye. You can change the color of the iris by clicking on hue saturation layer and move the slider anywhere you want. I am choosing this one, and now increase the saturation a little bit. This looks cooler. You can see the red color around the skull. Yeah, we are going to remove it by clicking on the mask, and take the brush. Make sure that your foreground color is set to black, and now brush around the red area you want to remove. As you can see now, this is before and this is after. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.